Go, 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 go. Get it, get it. Alright, you guys, so we are at Walmart. I'm sorry, the lighting in the car is treacherous. Let me stop. Anyway, we are here to get some stuff, but we're also going to get some stuff that the kids say they want. So, who knows? Let's see. Shall we?
Shall we?
What gun is that? Let me see. Do you think your brother can shoot that? Okay.
This could be my gun.
Okay.
Who got this on?
Let me see what you got, little creature.
Okay, I got an arrow that has a double ammo. Look. That is like a heat sensor, like when it's red, you'll see, but when it's green, no heat.
Okay. So, sir, $41 you owe me, sir. You deliberately left your wallet. Don't think that I didn't know that. I know you did it on purpose.
I didn't do it on purpose.
Yes, you did. You thought you was gonna get away.
Oh, yeah?
But you ain't.
Oh, yeah?
What you say, baby?
I got from here, look.
You got it from, oh, okay, you got it from there. Oh, okay, well, I guess it's $16. All right.
And I have enough money for that.
Okay. You got enough money for that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Y'all want to
Big
spot.
baller, shot caller, y'all. He's a big baller.
Who's a big baller?
Supposedly. Look here. Sir, jealousy. What's up with that face? Go on and watch where you're going, sir. Sir. All right, you guys. We've got a Nerf war about to go down. We've got the undefeated champion, Team Chang. How you feeling, Team Chang?
Great.
All right. Can I get a round of applause for Team Chang? We got the one, the only, Baby Chang. How you feel, Baby Chang?
Oh, I feel good.
How you feel? You think you're gonna become the new undefeated champion?
Yeah, I can become that because I can run box.
Okay. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
I said, are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, take your positions. All right. Shoot again.
The pain. I'm dying.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
The winner, and new undefeated champion, Baby Chang. Woo! Come on and get up, baby. Round 2. Fight! Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Shoot. Go, shoot. Ow, shoot. Ow. Lord. Ow. Goodness. Oh, Lord. Come on, Baby Chang. Throw some rounds on. Good job.
Yes.
Ow, Lord. Ow. Again. Oh. Oh, man. Instant replay. Oh, Lord.
Oh, Lord.
Get him. The baby chain is having technical difficulties. Get him, baby chain. Go. Go. Get him. Shoot. How? He's out. Get him. Get him. Don't let it escape.
Looks like you're out, huh?
Never. You missed.
Oh, okay. You need to aim at him.
Oh! Watch out! Oh! Take cover! Good job! Get him again! All right. Get him! Shoot him! Oh, Lord. Okay, I'm sorry to tell y'all, but baby chain, that butt shot was gold. Good job, baby chain. Now, teen chain,
Huh?
because of that butt shot,
I lost.
no, come here, get over here with him. Teen chain, because of that butt shot, we are going to disqualify the baby chain. So you win the second round. Now, you guys are tied now. Baby chain 1, teen chain 1. There can be only one winner.
I won second and third one first.
So now we need a tiebreaker. And how do we break the tie?
We can see who can win. The tie.
Round 3. Get ready. Go.
I don't know my gun.
Go. Shoot.
Thank you.
Good job. Don't you hit him. Don't you get him.
Right.
Whoa.
Oh no, I'm out.
Get him again. Go. Oh, Lord. Good job.
No.
Whoa. Whoa.
3, 4, 5,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As you all know, there can be only one winner. But baby chain, because you did yet another butt shot,
Yeah.
you have been disqualified from this round. So the undefeated, undisputed champion of the Nerf Challenge remains the Teen Chain. What you got to say, Teen Chain? What you got to say?
I feel great.
You feel great, baby Chang, even though that death-defying butt shot was incredible, innovative, and hilarious to watch.
Yeah.
You were disqualified. How do you feel about that?
Oh, good.
You feel what? I guess you don't care, right? Baby Chang does not care. He had fun. Anyway, high five, Baby Chang. All right.
What's going on, YouTube film? This is Jay here, Tyler here, and today I'm going to be pranking Mama. Stay tuned. Stay tuned.
Yeah.
Stop. Your butt stinks.
Mommy Trey told me that my boss thinks and he hit me.
Your butt's nasty.
Messing with my baby. Yeah.
Your butt stinks, baby.
Who are you talking to like that? Stop telling people they butt stink. Go. I'm tired of y'all. That's okay, baby.
Oh my
That's
goodness.
right, baby.
But in your butt stinks.
You about to get that out of you. Go. And go. You ain't just spitting all over my brother. Go wipe your mouth. Go clean your face. You okay, baby? Okay, y'all go play.
Okay, let's check the footage.
Y'all, why they call themselves pranking me? Like, I didn't even know they had set the camera up or anything like that. I'm just in my room trying to have some peace. And here they come with the foolery. And we always play like that, but I didn't know it was being recorded. So I guess this is about to be one of the new changes to the channel. Help me, y'all. Help me. If anybody need a retired nurse that can semi-cook, excellent cleaner with a winning and funny personality, let me come stay with you. Please. Here they come. We done got home. They opening up their stuff. And ain't nobody trying to run me my money. I'ma need my money. I'ma need my $41, sir. Sir, this is why you get an allowance, sir. Okay.
All right. I'll do it.
Uh-huh. Don't look. Act like you know. Act like you know.
Okay.
Run me my money.
I actually thought that she was going to forget. I was like, oh, please, don't let her say anything about that money.
And that's why you left your wallet, ain't it?
Oh, my, yeah, it does.
Uh-huh. What's up?
Okay, I got everything set up, but I don't know where these go.
Okay, your brother's gonna help you, okay?